Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Google Maps in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's built-in Maps module, which is perfect for local businesses that want to show their location on their website. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by opening the page where you want the map to appear. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, add a new section and insert a row. A single column row works well for maps so they have plenty of space. Next, click the plus icon and search for the map module. Add it to your row. By default, you will see a placeholder map. To make it work with your own location, you need to connect Google Maps with Divi. Open the module settings and go to the Content tab. Here you will see the option to add a Google API key. If you already have one, paste it in. If not, you can create a free API key from the Google Cloud Platform. Once the key is entered, the map will load properly. Now you can add your locations. Click Add New Pin and enter details like the address, title, and description. Divi will place a marker on the map at that address. You can add multiple pins if you want to show several locations, such as different offices or store branches. Move to the Design tab to customize the map's look. You can adjust the height of the map, add borders, or give it rounded corners. You can also place the map inside a styled section with background colors or text above it, such as your business address or opening hours. Once you are happy with your settings, click the green checkmark to save the module. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and you will now see your live Google map with your location pinned for visitors. This is a simple and effective way to help people find your business and add credibility to your site using Divi's Google Maps module. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.